What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wikobu Connected. Now, let us look at Fikile Mbalula. Fikile Mbalula responded, to this removal of Floyd Shivambu as the SG. He posted, on his social media account on Twitter. He said, they made Floyd draft the constitution to only use the same constitution to remove him. So this is the reaction, from Fikile Mbalula, because Floyd Shivambu was brought from the EFF to draft this constitution, and somehow that same constitution has been used against Floyd Shivambu to fire him. So there's this one comment that I saw where people were saying at least Floyd Shivambu should have included an elective conference in that constitution. Now that he didn't include that elective conference in the constitution, he just left everything in the hands of Jacob Zuma. Now Zuma is using that weak constitution against Floyd Shivambu. So it seems the way that Floyd Shivambu drafted this constitution is working against him. So this is very, very hard for Floyd. But Floyd Shivambu did not let this one to just go like that. He responded to Fikile Mbalula on that same tweet, and he said, Jacob Zuma, he decisively used the constitution to take the mighty ANC to 40% and left you begging for cooperation and coalitions with the DA. So Floyd Shivambu was saying, what, I will respect and will forever respect, President Jacob Zuma. So it turns out, that Floyd Shivambu is also even fighting against anyone who seems to be laughing at his demise. But those who laugh will never stop laughing, there is another video that is currently trending again on social media of ANC members where they were singing, to say that Floyd Shivambu has been expelled, what is it done, etc., etc. So it's going to be very, very interesting, when Floyd Shivambu finally gets into parliament and meets EFF members, the ANC members. I wonder what is going to be happening when they start singing against him. And Julius Malema is also going to be in there. So it's going to be very, very interesting, as more and more of these reactions are going to be coming in, and I'll be here to cover them. I'll catch you guys